Hello. Welcome to Wat Palam School in the province of Nakhon Pathom. Welcome students to our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Aire. Yeah. So today we are going to study about the basic greetings. Basic greetings. But before that, we are going to learn the vocabulary words. Vocabulary words. Vocabulary words. Sun. Sun. Wow. Beautiful. It's yellow and orange. Sun. Good. 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 Wow. The sun is here and it's early in the morning. These are what we call birds. And so we call this one morning. 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 When the sun is up, it's already up, it's already noon. 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 When the sun is going down, this is the sun, it's going down, it's already afternoon. 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 See this one? Where's the sun here? No more. When the sun is no more, it's evening. 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 When it's time to sleep, it's already night. It's nighttime and it's time to sleep. Night. 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 And how about this one? What do you call this? What is this? This is the moon. 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 Very good. All right. Now, let's read the sentences. Number 1. Good morning. Repeat after me, please. Good morning. Good morning. Or if you see your teacher, you will say, good morning, teacher. Good morning, mom. Good morning, dad. You can greet anyone else. Good morning, Esther. Something like that. Number 2. Good noon. Good noon. Good noon. Number 3. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Number 4. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Number 5. Good night. Good night. Good night. Wow. Okay, now let's read again. Okay, let's read it again. Are you ready? Number 1. Good morning. Very good. Number 2. Good noon. Yes. Number 3. Good afternoon. Number 4. Good evening. Number 5. Good night. Yeah. Okay. Now, can you read it by yourself? Okay, let me try. Let me see if you can read. Number 1, what is it? That's right. It's good morning. Number 2. How do you read number 2? Number 2? Fantastic. It's good noon. Wow, good noon. How about number 3? Number 3. What is it? Wow. Good afternoon. Very good. Number 4. Good evening. Yay. Wow, very good. Number 5. You're right. It's good night. Very good. Now, we are going to sing a song. Yeah. It's related to our lesson. But before that, we will read first. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you. All right. Okay, now let's sing the song. I'm going to play the music. Are you ready? With action. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Shake hands. Yes. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you. Very good. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Shake hands. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. 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 See you. Last one. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Nice to meet you. Shake hands. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. 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 See you. See you later. Wow, very good. Very good, students. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for today. So for our homework, you are going to read the 5 sentences, okay? Sentences number 1. Sentence number 1, good morning. Number 2, good noon. Number 3, good afternoon. Okay, class. Good afternoon. Number 4, good evening. And number 5, good night. Wow. So that's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening attentively in our lesson. So see you again next time. Goodbye.